Welcome back to my channel and another episode of Shundara Creates. But hold up, wait a minute, hold up, wait a minute, let me put some boom on it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Shundara Creates fam. Make sure you thumbs up this video. And in this episode of Shundara Creates, we are making a toothpaste slime. So I'm really excited to make this toothpaste slime. I feel like it's gonna be really minty. So before we get into that, make sure you're following me on all my social media sites, you guys. Make sure you thumbs up this video. If I didn't say it again, please thumbs up this video. Please follow me on Instagram. I'm just losing followers on Instagram, so please follow me and tag me in photos. Please, y'all, tag me in photos. Also, you guys, no, please, for real, please. Thanks so much. I really love you guys. If you do, you are the bomb. Also, we will be going live every Thursday and Tuesday, as well as playing the emoji game for a shout out. So make sure you hang out for all of that. So I'm gonna stop rambling right now, and we're gonna get into this toothpaste slime. Let's go. But please follow me, please. Bye.
So we're gonna start using Jock glue. This is 4 ounces, and this slime is really sticky, you guys. I added 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit of toothpaste because I tried it with a lot of toothpaste and it didn't work. So I'm just gonna use a little bit. So I'm using just 2 little drops. Now I'm just gonna mix that together until it's combined. So I would say toothpaste slime is a very sticky slime, you guys. So just be really careful when you make this slime so you don't get in trouble when it gets really sticky. But it is so fun and it smells really good. So now I'm going to add contact lens solution. And what I realized, the more contact lens solution I was adding as I was mixing together, it wasn't becoming slime. So I started adding douses of baking soda. Like literally I started adding a lot of baking soda and mixing it in. I would say all in all, for those 2 little toothpaste, 2 little drops of toothpaste I used, I would say I used about a tablespoon of baking soda, maybe more. So it wasn't the slime that I really liked, so I decided to add more contact lens solution. And then I mixed that in until it was combined. And now I'm seeing that it's making sort of slime. It's still a sticky slime. Many of you know I really don't like sticky slime, but this was really fun and it smelled really good. So I mixed it in and I mixed it and I'm like, you know what? This is slime. It's becoming slime. And what I noticed when I put it in my hands, it was not that sticky, but it was really fun to play with. As you can see, it's not that sticky, you guys. You can rub it off your hands really well. Now we're going to do a borax solution. I'm going to show you a different variation of what I did. So I'm using about the same 4 ounces of glue that I used for the other one. Now I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of water, which is 1/8 cup of water. For you guys who don't have 1/8 cup, it's 2 tablespoons. And I'm just going to mix the glue and water in until it's combined. So make sure you mix in that water until it's combined and get that. Now I'm going to add our borax solution. My borax solution is just about 2 cups of warm water to a tablespoon of borax. However, whatever borax solution variations you use, go ahead and use your ratios. So now I'm just going to mix this together until it becomes slime. Once it becomes slime, you guys, I'm just going to begin to add the toothpaste in. Now I am using a toothpaste. I got this at the dollar store. I should have named this the dollar store slime challenge because honestly that's what it really is. So I'm using the same amount of toothpaste that I did for the slime. For the last slime we did. And now I'm just going to mix it in until it's combined. You guys, look at me mixing it in, or attempting to mix it in. So I'm just going to mix it all in and make sure it's really stretchy. And you guys are just going to see how this slime just becomes really sticky. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just going to show you what this slime did. This slime was so sticky, but it was really fun to make, and you will really like this slime. So I really hope you enjoyed this episode of Shundara Creates. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on Instagram, you guys. I am losing followers and I am devastated. Let me know what videos you guys want me to make. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys.